Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a circle countdown timer to your video in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC and I'm going to add a countdown timer to this video. If we want to add countdown timer to our video, we just need to go to the stock material and then you can search for circle countdown timer. Okay, then you can click on enter and there will be a couple of options for you guys and you can choose the circle countdown timer that you like. I'm gonna go with this one. Before we add this video to our video, we can download it first. You can click on this download icon and after the video or the footage has been downloaded, you can click on this add button or click on this plus button to your video. And I'm just going to cut it guys. Okay. Alright, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add countdown timer to our video. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.